Hi, this is Professor Rainwater, and this is a mini tutorial on how to do clock rotation in Illustrator. Now this will give you some beautiful radial symmetry options. So the first thing I'm going to do is I made a file here, 5 by 5 inches. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the View menu and show my rulers. The reason I need to show my rulers is because I'm going to pull guides down to create a center point. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on my artboard, and it's going to give me this particular artboard options, and I'm going to click on show the center mark and click OK. Now I'm just going to click off, and I'm going to drag some rulers, and all you do is click and drag from the white ruler area, and it'll give you these guides which you're going to need in order to do this. Okay, so the next step is I just grab this object from the symbols just to use as an example. So what you'll do is you'll position this somewhere on the page, and you're going to center the object in the vertical line. Next, you're going to take your rotation tool, which is right here, and you're going to click on that, and you're going to go over to the center point. And if you're using a PC, you're going to use the Alt key. If you're using a Mac, you're going to use the Option key, and you're going to hold that Option or Alt down and click once. And it's going to give you this rotation dialog box. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put an angle in here to make a copy so that this graphic will sort of clock around in a circle. So I'm going to try with a low value. So I'm going to put in 20 degrees. Next, I'm going to click Copy. So that gave me my first duplication. Now, while this is still selected, I'm going to hold down the Command, or if you're on a PC, it would be the Control key, and I'm going to hold that down, and I'm just going to press the D key. And as you can see, it will give me a beautiful clock image where things come out from radial symmetry. Now you can do this with any kind of object that you want. Now I'm going to show you with a larger degrees that cuts down on the amount of objects you have. Also, depending on where you position it in terms of where it is in terms of the center point, that'll give you a different look too. Okay, so here I have my object again, and I'm going to select it, rotation tool, use the Option key on a Mac, the Alt key on a PC, hold that Option or Alt key down and click with the rotation tool. Now I'm going to try one of 60 degrees, click Copy, hold down the Control or the Command key and hold that down and just hit D. And every time you hit D, you'll get another image. So this is a very handy thing when you're trying to create radial symmetry. And you can put any object you want in there. And so experiment with it and see what kind of radial symmetry you can come up with.